Hey guys, what's up? I'm Smackaroo, and today is December the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. Getting a rather late start to this vlog. It's kind of 7:36. Basically, I got some reviews I need to do. I gotta do a review of the Logitech C920 and the PlayStation headphone thingies. Oh god. Always falls. Alright. So basically, oh god, cameras, right? So, today I went with Sean actually. You probably know who he is. So basically we bought some computer parts. He bought a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue hard drive, and he also bought a Corsair CX500 power supply. Now, here's the thing. I've been telling you guys, I've been saying a lot lately that I'm gonna build my gaming computer. Well, today was kind of the day I pulled my socks up on that. And what I mean by that is I kind of bought some stuff today. So, I went to NCIX Canada Computers, so I went with Sean, and I got these things. So, I also got a 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. You guys can see that. I actually got this yesterday. Let me just grab it. Oh, crap. Sorry about this. This is 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's so sweet. The CX500 as well. And the Intel Core i5 4690K overclockable. That's why there's a K there. You guys can see the 4690K. And that's what I got. I'm going to upgrade to a liquid cooler soon. I also have two things that they were out of stock, so I had to order it. I also ordered for my OS and the things I want to boot fast. The SSD, I ordered a 250 gigabyte SSD from NCIX. Also ordered in the motherboard. They will be here at the end of the week. Then I need to get a case, Windows 10, and I can boot the computer, and then I'll save up for my graphics card. I'll show you guys the motherboard and the SSD that I got. Alright, so I got this SSD. You guys can pause and read that, kind of see it like that. I got that SSD, and I got this motherboard. That motherboard, you guys can see it. Oh, there's the name of it right there. And that's what I got for the motherboard and the SSD. Alright guys, so I didn't vlog that much last night. It is now the morning, as you guys can see. It is 10:16. Alright guys, we are doing a time-lapse of us looking at cases, so let's get into this time-lapse. Oh yeah. We got to take our time and pace it out. Let's take our chances on troubled ground. We got to take our time and pace it out. Let's take your promises and burn them to the ground. Alright guys, we took a break from looking at cases and we stopped the time lapse because it's pizza time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head over to Sean's house. We're gonna have a sleepover. Alright guys, so I just got to Sean's. As you can see, I got my Pro setup here. Got my laptop, my mouse, my Beats, my little 1 terabyte hard drive thingy, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And he's got his setup over there. And Sean has...
Connecting my monitor.
He's connecting his monitor. This is a 21.5 inch?
Yeah, 21.5.
And look, my name is still there from...
He wrote his name on it.
I wrote my name in the dust a long time ago. And this is the Razer Death
Adder.
Oh, yeah, I got it right.
Death
Oh, you don't have anything else hooked up here. You don't have your
HDMI, no signal. What you talking about?
No, you don't have your, Yeti hooked up.
No.
No?
Oh yeah,
okay.
I gotta show them my new...
Your new what?
Keyboard.
Oh yes, you better go grab that.
I'll go grab it in a minute.
So this is Sean's setup. He's got his Beats, his laptop, which is not on right now. Well, it is on, but he has it up on this monitor. He got his mechanical keyboard. Can I type on it?
Yeah, go ahead. Here, let me just, yeah, go ahead.
Oh. Yeah. Sorry. It's so nice.
So yeah, I did a keycap replacement. Instead of like having the WASD, I replaced them for
oh, why?
arrow keys. Cause I can.
So you put WASD there?
Yeah, but I'm gonna like
You're still using the
replacement
arrow
here just for now, and then I'm getting a new escape key. It's
cool.
coming in the mail right now from.
Nice.
Yeah.
He does not have his Yeti here, but whatever, right?
Oh yeah.
So his Yeti is downstairs. So. But this is his mechanical keyboard. Alright guys, so sadly I'm gonna have to end the vlog today. Today was a rather boring vlog. Well, it's more like a couple of days, Sean? Because I'm on Skype with him right now. So we had a sleepover. So I just tripped over that. But until next video, I've been Smackaroo.